completely separate chain that's just bridging assets out of Ethereum. The Scale network or any modular multi-chain that's integrated in a real meaningful manner will bring fees back to Ethereum. For example, every time a Scale chain is set up, it's roughly $5,000 in gas fees to set that up. Every time nodes are rotated, there's gas fees. Every time someone stakes or pulls staking rewards or a slashing condition were to happen, all of that happens on Ethereum, and gas fees are paid on the mainnet. Okay, let's get into the meat of this, all right? So the magic here really is in containerization and advanced cryptography. So Scale, for example, has 8 subnodes on every node, okay? There actually can be up to 128, but then there's different performance issues. 8 seems to be right now a very good number in terms of creating pooled security and having incredibly high performance, having sub-second block times, having a really good use of file storage and memory on each chain. And so that is the current configuration setting. Now, every single node then can be concurrently running on 8 unique blockchains or app chains or sub-chains, whatever you want to call these, right? It's called Scale chains in the Scale world. These containers then, when a chain is created, the Ethereum mainnet actually orchestrates and connects these subnodes together in a chain. And so they're acting, we have this independent operating chain with its own IP address and RPC port, but it's not independent from the perspective of slashing conditions and security and coordination and staking rewards and validator pool. And the Ethereum mainnet, through using BLS and DKG mashup, are actually able to have a secure entropy to talk to the nodes and pull them together into these groups, these Scale chains or app chains, if you will. And these also, to have further pooling of security, those nodes are randomly rotated and reassigned. And so what we're trying to do is create collusion resistance in a fully decentralized autonomous manner. The other thing is that if a node goes down, if the node quits working, if the validator operator decides to just stop, well, guess what? The Ethereum mainnet can slash that validator and actually reassign a new validator and maintain liveliness in a fully autonomous manner using smart contracts on Ethereum and speaking to the node core in each of the nodes on the Scale network. Okay. So what we're going for is a design of high performance and pooled security, where we don't just have a side chain where nodes are working 1-to-1 ratio of stake to performance, but we have a much greater ratio and a pooled security dynamic where we can have an unlimited quantity of chains all working with validators in concert. So let's say someone says, hey, I want to go set up my own blockchain. Well, on Scale, you don't have to go recruit all your own validators. You don't have to go start from scratch. You can plug into the Ethereum ecosystem, go to the mainnet, run a smart contract, pay Scale token,